Hi, my dear students. In the previous session, we have learned about the some tags. Few tags we are going to learn here in the previous section. In the previous section, we have learned H head tag, body tag, VR tag, B tag, P tag, and title tag. We have learned all these tags in the previous session. And let us see here. Today we are going to be learn about the web browser. It is very important. Everyone know this web browser, but what is the use of this web browser? We are going to be learn. Let us see here. Browser means it is used to display the web page. See here. Suppose I wanted to open a Facebook. How we are going to be open a Facebook? Go to the web browser and type there. Everything I wanted to open, I wanted to Google. That means how we are going to be open? You want a browser. Suppose I wanted to write something on the paper. How we are going to be write something on a paper? By using a pen. That means here with the help of pen I write anything. I draw anything. I can make image anything. But where it has in the same way, that is a pen, we are going to be write it on the paper. But where it has in the PC, where it has in the system, where it has in this laptop, I wanted to display something on the web page. That means how we are going to be open that web page with the help of web browser. With the help of web browser. Web means here page. Browser means here we are opening it, browsing it. That means here we are searching it. That how we are going to be open that web browser. That means with the help of something I wanted to tell information to the any client or anyone I wanted to tell to somebody. How we are going to be give an information to the somebody with the help of web page. How this web page is going to be open? With the help of web browser. With the help of web browser. And let us see here what is the use of this web browser means here. What is the use of this web browser here? I want this web browser is used to open the web page. The web browser is used to open the web page. If the web browser is not there, there is no need of HTML. That means we have some web browsers here. The purpose of web browsers such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safran, and is to learn the HTML document and display the web page. It is used to display the web page. And let us see here, I can open any web page. Suppose I am opening here. Let us see here. I am opening here Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web page. I am opening this web page. Let us see here. I am opening here. Whenever I am opening the web browser, whenever I am clicking on the web browser, it's going to be open. Let us check it out here. I am opening the browser. That means here, this is a web page. It does not have anything here. Suppose I am writing here anything. I am going to be write anything here. Suppose I am writing here Usmania University. That means it's going to be check it out the Usmania University web page. Usmania University web page is going to be displayed a page. This is the head section. The name is the head section. The entire thing we have designed, it is a body section. See here, this is a bold, but the size is very big. The format is changed, and this is the image is the other. We have a image here. Here we have the pictures. Here we have the pictures. Here we have a headings. Here we have a headings. How this all is going to be generated here? Here we have a date. Here we have a date. Day by day the date is going to be changed automatically. How it going to be happen? All these things by HTML. By HTML. Let us check it out here. That means this is a browser. What browser it is? A Chrome. But who is developed this? Google. That's why it is a browser Chrome. That means Google Chrome. We are going to be call it as here Google Chrome. And next we have Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari. Everything it is a that is known as it is a web browser. What is the use of this web browser is here the content is going to be displayed on the web page. The content is going to be displayed on the web page. That is the use of here web browser. And come to the point here, how to open a notepad. What is mean by notepad? And let us see here what is mean by notepad. What is mean by notepad? I am checking here, go to the search option. I am opening a notepad. This is a notepad. Notepad means here we are going to be write the HTML program. The notepad is we are going to be write the HTML program. It is used to write the HTML program. That means I am writing HTML program. Already in the classes I am going to be explain how to write a HTML program. How we are going to be open here? Go to the search option and type the notepad. You are going to get a notepad. That is how to open a notepad. What is the use of this notepad here? The notepad is used to write the text editor. Go to open notepad, click start button, all programs, accessories, and if it is the latest old version of your system, you're going to be having like this. Click start, go to all programs, move to accessories and notepad. Is it clear? Then come to the point here, all we have learned here. Once again, the browser is a, that means here the browser is there. It is a web page. The browser is used to display the web page. With the help of browser, I am opening the web page. Let us see here, this is a browser. Is it clear? How many web pages we have here? So many of web pages we have here. Osmania University is a one more web page. It is a headings. All these things here we have here headings. Here see here, this name is going to be created by head section, and this entire thing here to here it is known as here body section. That this entire thing I wanted to open this page. I wanted to open this page with the help of web browser. You are going to be open with the help of web browser. You are going to be opening a web page. That is today's class here. Today what we have learned here. What is a web browser. Today we have learned here what is mean by web browser. What is mean by web browser here? And come to the point here, text editor also is there. The text editor is nothing but to write or edit the HTML code. I wanted to write a HTML program where we are going to be write in the notepad. Notepad is nothing but here text editor. Creating an HTML document. How we are going to be create an HTML document here with the help of text editor, and how to open a HTML web page with the help of browser. HTML program ekkada rayali? Text editor lo rayali. HTML program ela, that means how to give the output of HTML program by web page. That means here by how to open the web page here by web browser. I am writing once again here. How to create a HTML document. How to create the HTML document. The HTML document is created by text editor. Text editor is also known as here notepad. Text editor is also known as here notepad. Let us see the notepad here. This is the notepad. Let us see. This is the notepad. It is also known as here text editor. I can edit the text. I can write the text, anything by HTML program. That is known as here notepad. And what is the use of this notepad here? I can write the HTML program. I can write the HTML program. That is the use of your text editor. And what is the use of your web browser? When we are going to be write the HTML program, I wanted to get the output. I wanted to get the output. With how we are going to be show the output with the help of web browser. With the help of web browser. I am going to give an example here. With the help of web browser, that is the main use of your text editor and the web browser. But how to open a notepad here? To open a notepad, click the start, all programs, accessories and notepad. Today's class is here. It is very easy topic that is here. It is very easy topic that is here. Web, what is web browser? What is text editor? Thank you one and all here.